Hi, my name is Sam Slaughter. I'm the owner of Sellers Buick GMC and Sellers Subaru, and I've been a dealer for about 15 years. Actually, I started as a porter here in this dealership when I was 16 years old and kind of got bit by the retail bug and went to work for the factory for a little bit and then came back, and now I'm the owner of the dealership. Two things. First of all, I think the ability to go after people who own a Buick or a GMC in our market but haven't come to our dealership, the ability to reach those customers specifically was very appealing to me. First of all, we've driven a lot of customers who didn't come back to our dealership or have never been in our dealership. We've driven a lot of repair orders for those customers, but I think it's also given our staff some appreciation for what's out there. We're up in both operations in our RO count and our sales. It's been an excellent experience. We get detailed reports every single month. What really surprised me is the customers, particularly at Subaru, who are coming in who've never been in before, is the miles that are on their vehicles. There's a lot of high mileage vehicles that we're now capturing that we didn't capture before.